Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 7 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation networks indicate significant rainfall activity over the following regions: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, coastal Karnataka, and Kerala. The highest rainfall of 320 mm has been recorded at Mangrol in Junagadh district of Gujarat. As per the current flood status, none of the rivers is flowing in extreme or severe flood situation. Now, let's discuss today's CWC advisory. In state Maharashtra, due to intensification of rainfall over the west coast, above normal flood conditions and significant rises in river water levels are expected in rivers such as Damanganga, Vetarna, Vashishti, Savitri, Bav, Ulhas, Amba, Kal, Gad, and other small west flowing rivers in districts Nasik, Palghar, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg from 3rd July to 6th July. Water levels are also expected to rise in the Panchganga, Varna, Bhima, Neera, Koyna, and other tributaries of the Upper Krishna in Pune, Satara, Kolhapur district during the above said period. Additionally, rising water levels are anticipated in the rivers of Purna, Upper Tapi, Vainganga, Pranhita, Vardha, and Penganga in Akola, Buldhana, Amravati, Gondia, Bhandara, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, Nagpur, Wardha, Yavatmal districts from the 3rd July to 5th July. Residents in the affected districts are advised to remain vigilant. Now, in state Karnataka, IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rains in districts such as Uttar Kannad, Udupi, and Dakshin Kannad, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Shimoga for next 2 to 3 days. In view of the forecast rainfall, a rise in water levels is expected in the Supa, Kali, Agnashini, Swarna, Netravati, Gurupura, Shambhavi, Sita, Kumardhara, Saravati, and other small west flowing rivers in these districts during the period 3rd July to 5th July. In addition, water levels are also likely to rise in the Upper Tunga, Bhadra, Vedavati, Hemavati, Yagchi, and other tributaries and small rivers within the affected districts during the same period. Concerned authorities are advised to keep a close watch on the river conditions and take necessary preparedness measures. Now, let's talk about Gujarat. Due to enhanced rainfall activity over the west coast, river flows are expected to increase in the Damanganga River from 3rd July to 5th July. A rise in water levels is also anticipated in the lower Tapi, Purna, Ambika, Auranga, Par, and Mindola rivers in Navsari, Tapi, Dang, and Valsad districts during the same period. In the Saurashtra region, increasing water levels are also expected in the Bhadar, Machundri, Hiran, Ubain, Shetranji, Ojat, and Kalubhur rivers, affecting Bhavnagar, Amreli, Junagadh, Gir Somnath, and Porbandar districts from 3rd July to 5th July. Appropriate vigilance and preparedness measures are advised in view of the forecast rainfall and the anticipated rise in the river flows. Now, in state Odisha, in view of the forecast rainfall, a rise in water levels is likely to expect in the Indravati, Sabri, Machkund, Poteru, Tel, Nagavali, and Vamsadra rivers, as well as other small rivers across the Kalahandi, Navrangpur, Koraput, Malkangiri, Raigada, and Gajapati districts during the period 3rd July to 4th July. Local residents are advised to stay alert. With this, today's flood bulletin comes to an end. For the latest update on river water levels and flood forecasts, viewers are requested to visit the websites displaying on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.